And welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix battery drain problem on iPhone and iPad after update iOS 17. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting and from here scroll down and click on display and brightness, and from here what you need to do it, adjust your brightness, and after that go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here click on notifications, and from here what you need to do it, turn off notification toggle useless app like Facebook. Click on this, and from here what you need to do it, turn off this notifications, and after that go back your home screen and open your again setting, and from here scroll down and search for this standby mode, and from here click on this, and from here what you need to do it, turn off this toggle. If the toggle turn on, what you need to do it, turn off this toggle, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen, and from here scroll down and turn off your D&D mode, and after that go back and turn off your Bluetooth, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.